go.
Over. Now what are you going to do? You have an obstacle in the way.
Uh-huh.
An obstacle. So you're going to back up. Good job. Okay, now what? Now what? Good job. Are you going to do it backwards? That still works. Oh. That's the hardest part, is to get back up with the, when it moves.